Introducing Title Miner. Title Miner uses advanced OCR and AI to quickly extract data from any document, structured or unstructured. The platform is flexible and quickly adapts to new projects to scale with your business needs. With a simple API, Title Miner instantly sends extracted data to your system, no manual input needed. Here's how Title Miner reduces keying activities so staff can focus on quality control. Title Miner reviews and extracts key details from purchase agreements to kick off the process of requesting title. It extracts key data from real estate documents, speeding up title reviews and plat builds. In seconds, it extracts key details from title abstracts and property reports, eliminating manual data entry. It even has a high success rate with extracting data from handwritten abstract reports and real estate records. Now, let's see Title Miner in action. Watch how fast it processes real documents. The document is being uploaded for processing. The search package has been successfully uploaded and queued for AI processing. Wow, 15 documents were processed in just about 15 seconds. The required details from the deed, mortgage, and a lengthy legal description have all been extracted and exported to the client's production system. The chain of title extraction, or the property's transfer history, is extracted. The judgment extraction is complete. CCRs and additional information have been extracted. Title Miner just handled what usually takes 30 to 40 minutes. Now, only a quick QC check is needed. As you can see, Title Miner delivers the results and value. Ready to see Title Miner in action? Contact us for a live demo today.